Today's letter is W. W, watermelon, W. Little learning friends. Let's look for the letter W and listen for the W sound in words. Wig, wax, watch, world, weights, walrus, walnuts, winter, wagon, watermelon, waffles, watering, waiting, windmill, walking, watching, wedding, welcome mat, washing machine, wolves in the woods.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time hope you sing with me.
Wonderful job! You've learned so much about the letter W. Check out more teacher-created educational resources on Amazon and YouTube from Sycamore Press.